To make the Elizabeth stitch, we need to start off with a row of chains in multiples of 2 plus 4. Once you have your desired length of chains, we will begin by inserting our hook into the 4th chain from our hook. Then we'll bring up the working yarn, yarn over, insert our hook into the same chain again, bring up another loop, we'll have 4 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. Then chain 1 and skip one of our chains down here, and we're going to do the same thing in the next stitch. We're going to insert our hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert our hook, grab our working yarn, yarn over, and pull through all the loops. Then chain 1 and skip one of our chains down here. We're going to continue this process again. And continue this to the end of the row. Now that we've completed our first row and we've done the chain to secure the Elizabeth stitch, we now need to chain 3 and turn our work over. For the next row, we're going to be doing the Elizabeth stitch in all of these chain 1 spaces. So insert your hook, draw it up, insert your hook, draw it up, yarn over, and pull through all 4, then chain 1. Just keep repeating the previous row for as long as you want to practice or for the length of the project you're working on. This is a very easy repetitive pattern that makes a beautiful stitch. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications so you'll know when I release another stitch tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a great day.